faith, family, friends. Blessings.
On 3. $27 even as your total. Would you like to donate to the Boys and Girls Club today?
How much?
As much as you'd like. To do $1.
Yeah, I'll do $1.
I want to do $1.
I did a new thing, and I bought this a while ago, but I'm just now going to be using it. A video making kit. So I'm gonna use it. It starts today. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Let's get started. I put batteries in the light. It's pretty bright. It's got several settings. Ooh, I love it. Yes, I love it. It's ready. I'm going to do my skincare. Get ready with me to head out. Good morning. Gonna start my day off with Thunder's recipe. Gonna eat my gummies. Oh no! Oh no! It's my last 2 gummies! I love these, okay? Grow it in my edges. That tastes so good. Next part of my get ready routine is gotta brush this breath. I'm using a herbal toothpaste called Meshwalk, and I've been using it for like a week. I'm doing a new thing. Your bad breath lives on the tongue, so let's do a little tongue scraping. Get all them bad breath germs out of there. Even after brushing my tongue, still hot. Nice, a little gargle. Don't forget to floss. Flossing will really help you eliminate that. Nice. Next for my lip mask. Even though it's a sleeping mask, I just wear it while I go get in the shower. Let my lips get nice and soft. Then when I come out, I'm going to be putting on this moisturizing lip mask. Lip mask is on. Now I'm going to be using this glowing vitamin C facial cleanser. Face is wet. This facial cleanser reminds me of Noxzema. I used to use Noxzema when I was in middle school. So we're gonna get a good lather. And really cleanse my skin. I think I'm gonna wear makeup today. I don't normally wear makeup all the time, but today I wanna wear makeup. Because it's a self-care day and I just wanna feel in a great mood and just love on myself. Time to rinse. Like the old Neutrogena commercials. Now I'm gonna put on an avocado mask sheet. Alright, I'm gonna go get in the shower and steam in the shower in my face mask. It smells so good. Of Palmer's Skin Therapy Oil. It's some of my favorite facial oil. I'm gonna do this lip mask. I'm trying a brand new mascara that I have never used before. So let's see how it works. So my first impressions, I really like the wand. Very nice. Just need to finish my eyebrows. I'm almost out of my body glaze. Thank you. Yummy. Green tea fat with oatmeal. One of my favorite new snacks, Arizona green tea fruit snacks. I just put in my order, and while I was waiting for my food to come, I caught up on some reading.
How's the light? This is my first time using my video making kit in public. There we go. So I'm about to have some lunch.
I love it. It's my favorite salad.
I'm not